Well, we're heading back. We probably got an hour of daylight left. Probably fished for like 15-20 minutes after dark. Just got off work late, so until it gets dark at 9, my fishing trips are going to be pretty short, but we do pretty good for only getting down here for like an hour. We can usually get, last night we got like 6, me and Cameron. Cameron caught that nice smallmouth. We'll go down here and see if we can't hook in a few more. My wife's sister's boyfriend's down there fishing. He said that they got a few small walleye and about a 20-incher so far. I think they've been here for a little while. So we'll go down and see if we can't get a couple. I think they got the good spot, so I should be able to get in there. We'll see. I'll turn it on when I get down by the water. We're going to just be using Contact swim baits. I know we use them a lot, but they work. Then whenever we get on the boat, then we usually use the rest of our lures, because it's kind of hard fishing some deep running lures whenever you're fishing off the bank. So we try to stick to our swim baits, and they do good. So we're gonna use 3/8 ounce jig head with, I think it's a 4.5-inch Contact, the ribbed ones. But we'll go down here and see if we can't get a few.
What is it?
Planning on getting a boat next month.
Hell yeah.
Like a 14 or 6 month time.
Yeah. Yeah, that little one I got, it works fine for 2 guys, you know what I mean?
What?
The boat I got, it works fine for 2 guys. It's a 16 foot.
Yeah.
There's one finally. Yeah, it works fine for 2 guys. 3 people is a little overcrowded. They seem like they're deeper out than they was. They was right here against the bank last night.
Yeah, I was casting around. I told you I didn't get any bites here.
Come on, you bitch. Oh, we're heading out here. I got very little time to fish today. Again, been getting off work late and having to run some errands afterwards, so I can't wait till it starts getting dark at like 9. It'll help. But I'm out of breath. I'm walking fast, running halfway. But we're gonna go down here and catching a lot of males, spawning males. I'm looking for that female, big old female. That's what we want. I think my biggest ever was 9 pounds, like 14 ounces. I want to break, I like to break 15 pounds. How I like to break the record. The record walleye was caught just about, I don't know, it's probably like 30, 40 miles from here. And a lot smaller body of water too. The Youghiogheny River. So I know if there's a record in there, the average size of the walleye up in here is like huge compared to every other body of water. So there should be a record up here. It's just getting it. Getting it in the fall or getting it while they're spawning. Big old spawning female would be nice. full of eggs. Oh yeah. But we'll see what happens. Well, we made it. Well, I made it. Whoa, why'd I feel like shit? Oh, how'd I do that? Dumb. Sink fix. There we go. There's one. Alright, I think we caught a crab claw. There's one. Oh yeah, there's a start. It feels like he might be a little bigger than 12 inches. Definitely ain't no big female, but it feels like might be the best walleye I caught this year. Yeah, not really. He's a fighter though. Oh, there he goes. I'm gonna count that. I will be counting that. There's one. Oh yeah, now we're starting to slam them. We just been here like 5 minutes. Getting you on the bank, bud. I ain't losing you. Ah, you held it. Yeah. Don't go bite my finger. There we go. There it is. See, they're spawning. Get him back in the water. It's 2. Been here for 5 minutes. Well, I've been here for about 5 minutes, and I got 2 little walleye all on the swim bait. The swim bait, dark collar. I forget what it was called, the collar, but it's a dark one. Oh, missed that one. I mean, it's every cast. Oh, Jesus. I bet one of them ripped that Kitech. At least pulled it off the hook a little bit. Because they slammed it pretty hard. I don't know how I missed them. Yep, that they did. They twisted it. Or I twisted it when I jerked it.
There's one. It's number 3. Man, I'm slamming them now. I missed a couple too. What is a saw guy there? Saw guy. I think that's a sauger. Yeah. Come back in there. It's number 3. Oh, it's getting just about dark. And this is usually a pretty good time to catch them. Seems like they slowed down a little bit. Seemed like they was hitting better as soon as I got here. I should have been here earlier. Tomorrow I will. I'll probably be running some musky lures. Run them up this bank. There's one. Oh, that feels like a good one there. Maybe not. Slammed it. Might be the best one of the night, though. Sauger. Not a bad one. Definitely the best of the night. Flashlights out, let you see them. Turn them on. Yeah, buddy. Cell phone light out here. It's a pretty nice color one, too. Yep. Take it. He slammed too. Kind of like a quick twitch I gave it and caught him. I'm gonna get a picture of him and release him. Best sauger of the year, no problem. But there it is. Definitely wasn't doing the splooging on me like the walleye have been. So I don't know how them walleye spawn or nothing like that, or them saugers. I thought I heard once that they, I don't know. You guys can let me know though if you want to comment it. If they spawn the same time as salt or walleye, or what's their spawning like? Because we never catch any ones that milk everywhere whenever the walleye are. So, well, maybe we have. I don't know. Let's see if we can't get the 5th one. I think I've been down here since like 7:10. I don't know, it might be getting like 7:45 now or so. So they're biting good. There's one. And I'm catching them twitching it now. I was doing vertical jigging. Now I'm just real slow and doing some twitches, and they're just slamming it. That is a walleye. Nope. I think that is a, yeah, that's a saw guy. Little sucker too. I think it's a saw guy. I don't know. One of them. Don't really care unless he's a record. And then we need to figure out what they are. Well, I got 6, I think, no, 5 or 6, and right before dark I was catching on a slow vertical jig. Now I'm just kind of real and slow and twitching it, and I caught 2 right in a row doing that. And on that one. Sometimes maybe it's just better to show them something different. I don't know. Because I switch it up all day. Well, I'm going to fish probably about 15 more minutes. They really slowed down on me. See what happens. If I start catching a few more, I might stay longer, but if it stays like this, I'll probably leave in about 15 minutes. Did pretty good though. 45 minutes before daylight and about the first 15 minutes after dark was pretty good. Now it's like they shut off. Because I know there's a lot more walleye out there. They always gather up out there, but they ain't hungry.